Hey guys, so I chose the IES grant for systematic replication. It's funded by the Institute of Education Sciences. The mission statement is basically that they are the statistics, research, and evaluation arm of the U.S. Department of Education. They're independent and nonpartisan. They provide scientific evidence on which to ground education practice and policy, and to share this information in formats that are useful and accessible to educators, parents, policymakers, researchers, and the public. The grant description was rather lengthy. I sort of take it that this systems replication it's a broad category, for things that don't really have a specific topic. I do know that it's based on, or it does focus on interventions that improve education outcomes. Let's see. Okay, so the document checklist, I would have to have a letter of intent, application, project narrative, data management plan, dissemination history and plan, supplemental charts, tables, and figures, examples of intervention materials, letters of agreement, project summary and abstract, references, human subject narrative, and a biographical sketch of the personnel. As of right now, according to my budget, I came up with $76. The deadlines, and this would be where I would ask a question. This one, of course, is, the due date for the letter of intent was June 11th, and the deadline for the application was August 20th. So, my question would be, is anybody else's like that? And since we're actually not applying for these grants, are we able to use this anyway? I know on this particular website, it was sort of hard to find anything for 2021. I found it difficult to get a half a page for my mission. And then I found it difficult not to repeat myself. I feel there was a whole section of my justification that I actually had up here in my mission, and so then I felt like it needed to be in my justification. And so a question that I have is, did any of you feel like you were repeating yourself from section to section? Is that something that is just part of it, or am I missing something on that? Feel like I probably need a little bit more length on those. I understood the population. Okay, so my project is basically a research project, and my students are going to research the office of the United States President, and the goal is to challenge them and engage them and motivate them to learn. And so they will be in charge of their project. They will research the office of president. They will research past United States presidents and their accomplishments or failures. They'll choose one of those presidents, and they will compile information to write a report. And then they will actually create a storyboard illustrating their chosen president. At the conclusion of the project, students will present their projects in class for the whole class, and they'll get to dress up if they want to. I'll interview them. I will observe and take photographs. My proposed timeline is like about a 3-week period, since my whole thought process was leading around the presidential election. So if this was for real and I was really doing this, then I could see the first week researching the office of president and former presidents, the second week them choosing one and researching that one and writing their report, and then the third week would be devoted to them creating their visual project, and then at the end of that week they could actually present it. There's my budget. So, I guess that's it. Thank you.